welcome to my channel. So in this channel we will be in this particular playlist we will be covering basic concepts of Python which can be used by students of class 11 12 and also the programmers who want to learn Python and Python development. So it will be a good basic provider. So first of all we will be creating a hello world program. Since Python is a very easy language, we just need to type print and hello world. So now I will run the code and we can see the output here as hello world. So now first of all let me tell you about this line. This is print command. Print command tells the compiler to display a particular message. Here the message is hello world, and remember that a message is always put within inverted commas. So if I want to write here, if I want to print 2, so let's first see. So we can see that 2 is being printed here. So since it is not a message, like a compiler knows that 2 is a number, so we are not required to put 2 in the inverted commas. However, if we will do so, then the output will be same. See, we can see that 2 is also being printed if we will put inverted commas. And but what's the difference? Let me show you. If we want to display the sum of 2 and 3, then this command will not show us because 2 plus 3 is a message. It's not a program, it's not an instruction given to the compiler. However, if we type print 2 plus 3, then it will show 5. You can see that here it is showing us 5. So this is the difference between putting inverted commas and without putting inverted commas. So now we will be creating variables. Variable is a any type of alphabet or any specific character that can hold any type of value like a. We can declare any like x, y, z. So I will be declaring x. X is equal to, let's say, 3, 4, 4, and then we will be printing x. So we can see that the 4 is being printed here, and if we want to declare a string in a variable, then we again need to put inverted commas because we want to display a message. So if we want to display hello world, then we need to put them in inverted commas, and then if we want to display that message, we need to type the name of the variable without inverted commas, since the computer know that x contains hello world. So we can see that hello world is printed here, and now we can do various other things like x is equal to 2. We can print 2, and the output we can see here, it is coming out to be 2. So this is the very much starting of the Python, and I hope everything is clear, and if not, then you can ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.